Greetings and good morning. Here is how you play the game. Click to danaburton.com and hopefully it comes up for you. There has been so much interest, it crashed the website this morning, but now it seems to be working. Once you get to the website, click on the Get Started, and from here you can see all the resources. If you want to be entered into the drawing for prizes, there's at least 6 of them. Simply click on raffle tickets and it explains everything, and here's the payment link. Tickets are $1 each. You can get just $1 and that is just fine. You can use credit card, on PayPal, whatever. All this money goes to postage. There are about 25 prizes that will need postage, and I will keep sending them out for free as long as we have money in the ticket raffle. Period, next paragraph. All right, so if that's done, then you can go back to the main page, which is Start. And here's the main page. All right, let's begin the Night Circus. Click on Night Circus. Here is the basic page. This is a main clue. Then this is the poem that the crossword puzzles and everything else is based off of. Here's the photo contest, so you can read in case you forgot what you need to do. And if you click here, it takes you to the Pretty Night Circus categories. Once you get out of that, you can go to the daily contest, click on it, and it might be freezing up again on the, oh, nope, we're good. Night Circus. Okay, this tells you the basic thing, and here, down here is the place that shows you day 1, random ticket drawing, Rita won, and what she won. So the 14 contests we will be having, we'll probably have more, but they're listed here with the winner and the prize. Okay, so you hit the back button and this takes you to your little block and the keepers. Now the keepers are the characters of the contest. There are 8 of them. You will know the names, what they do, any little secret hints or tips, period, next paragraph. And again, if you are not into these types of fantasy games, you can just make a photo for the photo contest and work with that. All right, now, as I showed you before, Night Circus, the really cool part is under danaburton.com and secrets. So you can just type it in yourself. This comes to your little event package. Here shows you the calendar. As you can see, we have 2 weeks of contests, then 1 week of tutorials, a week off to breathe and work on our photo contest entry, and then the photo contest itself. Here is the 4-page Gazette link. Now, it says 5 pages in the PDF, but there are only 4. 1 was redundant, so I took it out so there'd be less printing. So if you click on it, it takes you to the Gazette, which has characters, hints and clues, all kinds of stuff that you need for the games. All right, the next line is for those that are playing the master game. Each day, a character will be revealed and listed here. Now, if you're smart, you'll download this and you'll see that here is your clue for the game. You have to figure out the answer, and it says take the 3rd letter. So what you think the answer is, take the 3rd letter of that and put it here. For 8 days, every day there will be a new clue card here. This is the master game. Now, I am not logical that way. Master games are scary for me. So if you don't get this, just skip it. It's just for those that are super sleuths and want a little challenge. All right, so once you figure that out, then the next thing is a symbol checklist. Now, if you are amazing at research, the website starting tomorrow will have a symbol hidden, or 2 or 3. Now, what you need to do, download this. Where did you find it? Say I'm looking for the crescent moon. I found 3 of them. One was on the opening page, one was on the secrets page, and one was on somewhere else. Anyways, there might be 1, there might be up to 5. So if you kind of put where it's found and the count, and at the end of the game, if your little things are correct, you have a chance to win a really nice prize. So that's medium skill level. Then if you are just like me and like crossword puzzles or Sudoku or things like that, I've got all kinds of games of that magnitude. You hit fortune, and this fortune, not only is it cool, but it is a big source of clues and information for all of your crossword puzzle and things like that. So if you figure out all of that right now, that is all you have to do. Hope that helps.